Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna show you guys what causes you to lose power after doing something under the hood. In my case, what I did was I cleaned the engine air filter. Mine, I have actually a K&N filter. Most cars have like the regular filter, which is a square one, and there's normally a box right here. All right, so what happens is you actually can get water on the mass airflow sensor, which is this sensor right here. On the box, it's usually right on the side of the box. It's the same thing on every vehicle, it's just located in different spots. So what happened was water actually got on this sensor, and what it does is it tells the computer wrong readings, freaks out, and cuts off the power. So what you need to do is actually remove it, make sure it's completely dry, and clean it. All right, so on most of them, it's usually just 2 screws holding it on. So you wanna go ahead and take the screws off, make sure you don't drop them. And that's the second screw right there. So put them aside. Then you can just go ahead and pull out the mass airflow sensor. Just like that. All right, so after you pull out the sensor, there's little contacts you can see right here. And then also you do want to clean inside of here. Some of them look a little bit different, but they're pretty much the same concept. You can see this one's actually pretty dirty, could use a cleaning anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off right now. To remove the sensor from the harness, there's usually a little clip. You just push down on it and it'll just slide right off. To clean these off, they actually have a special spray for it, which is mass airflow cleaner, which you could just spray on there and let it dry before you install it. So when you're done, you want to make sure that it's really dry. What I did is I actually took a blow dryer and I let it run on there for about 10 minutes just to make sure I got everything out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the clip back on, same way I took it off. Make sure it clicks in there good. The rubber boot over it. Slip it in right where you took it out from, and then you're gonna go ahead and install your 2 screws. You can just start them off and then start the other one off before you tighten it down. If cleaning it and drying it off doesn't change the problem, what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and replace this. They're actually pretty cheap. You can get them for like 15 or 20 bucks online or at a local auto parts store. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out after the cleaning, just to see if I got my acceleration back. And I would say I definitely got my acceleration back. It's definitely a good idea even to do this for maintenance, even if you don't have an issue. It actually helps if you got rough idle or unknown, cause of loss of power. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.